Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Check out my latest video if you haven't already. Today's video is going to be so exciting. I will show you guys everything that I do in a day, my daily routine, everything that I eat. So make sure to stay and check out the whole video. Today I'm exercising my back using these resistance bands that we have been waiting for them 47 days. Everything has been sold out online. We tried to look for dumbbells because we're building a home gym and we haven't been able to find any dumbbells online, so we decided to get these resistant bands. So I'm working out my back and shoulders. It's the first time that I actually work out with this type of bands. I usually have some other bands at home, but they are not as good as these ones. So I'm so excited for today's workout. Workout routine is not that long. It's about an hour long. That includes stretching and cool down also of about 10 minutes. So it's not that long. Sometimes I take an hour and 45 minutes at the gym just because I do a little bit of cardio, but since I haven't been able to go to the gym with this whole coronavirus, I live in Florida and the cases are going up, so I don't feel that comfortable to go back to the gyms even if they're open. So we have been transforming our whole living room. We don't have that many equipment. I had some glute bands that I bought before the whole pandemic that I used at the gym. They're really good. I would put the name of the bands in this video's description if you're interested in that, but we don't have that many things to work out with. We also got this bench in Amazon that was really affordable compared to a lot of other benches, and it came in really fast. I think it took like about 2 days. We have been able to work out and do a lot of stuff with the bench, which is really good because I was using my couch to do hip thrust and it was really uncomfortable. So I am really happy that we have the bench now at home. So after my workout, I don't drink any protein shakes just because I am not doing like a really heavy training. Everything that I'm doing here at home is very light. Usually I would drink a protein shake if I would do a heavy workout at the gym, especially doing cardio, but since everything has been without weights, just using resistant bands, and I have been at home way more sitting down in my computer, so I want to make sure that I don't drink something that I don't need. So I have been skipping the protein shakes. Usually during the day, if my meals are light, especially if I eat a lot of salads or a lot of vegetables and I cut the carbs, I do get a protein shake towards the end of the day, like during like maybe evening, because I get so hungry. So that is like a good snack to have if you're really hungry and you just want a little snack. Today I'm going to be cooking eggs with tomatoes and English muffin. dentist appointment and we ran out of meal prep, so I got Chipotle. But that's good because then I can show you guys how I split my food when I eat in Chipotle because they serve so much food. I usually can tell which one is mine because it's so freaking heavy. This one is Marcos, this one is Anthony probably, and this one is mine. Anthony is my 9-year-old son, which he eats like he's an adult. So yeah, this one's mine. So what I usually do is split half of my meal. That way I don't eat more than I want to. Trying to eat healthier, or like if you're trying to change your eating habits, always split your food. That way you're in control of what you eat. So yeah, like usually the rest of the meal Anthony eats it for a snack, or Marcos is the one that usually just eats my leftovers. So yeah, you see, this is a good serving amount, and then I can have like a small snack or a fruit or something like that, and I will be really satisfied. So as you can see, for Chipotle I have to split my meals because I feel they serve so much that it's easy to overeat. So make sure that when you're eating at restaurants, if they're serving a huge plate, just split your meals before you start eating them. That way you can keep your meals under control. That's why I started doing, especially when I wanted to lose body fat. That helped me so much. And then you can save your leftovers for dinner or for tomorrow. That way you don't feel so guilty about eating a huge plate. A lot of restaurants serve way too much. They don't focus on serving you a portion that you should be eating every day like that. So make sure that if you are trying to lose weight or count your macros or calories, that would be something that you might want to look at, and it helps a lot. Okay, so first of all, I have my mouse in this notebook because I don't have a mouse pad, and then I hate that desk, how it feels, so I just put it here. I definitely need to get a mouse pad. And I made some pears with cinnamon. It tastes amazing. So it's a really good snack if you want something to eat that is not really high in calories and it tastes really, really good. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video today. I wanted to show you guys as much as possible of my routine. Today was a really busy day. I'm extremely exhausted. I had to take Anthony to karate, and then I spent some time with the kids. I was not expecting to cook dinner today because I usually do meal prep for the whole week, but I wanted to make sure that I would use everything that I had in the fridge so it wouldn't go to waste. So I had to improvise a little bit, but that's okay. Sometimes things don't go the way that we plan them to go, and we have to just stop for a minute, think about the plan, and reorganize ourselves. So every week for me is completely different. So I just work with what I have and make the best of it. That's the best advice that I can really give you, because things always change. So it's okay. Don't get overwhelmed or don't think that you're doing something wrong. Just make sure that you move on when things do change. But yeah, just have fun with everything. Every day it's just about being positive and just working with what you have, and you will see that things are just going to work smoothly for you. But yeah, I'm extremely exhausted, so I think I'm going to spend some time with Anthony, that he's spending time with Marcos right now, and the baby's sleeping. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.